So what we have here is the little delivery. This will be the first video of my YouTube channel. You guys know the name, you've seen the name. It's called Mark's iPad. And hopefully, this is the right packaging. We're about to see Mark's iPad. So, this is the, yep. So I got the Space Gray 512, 12.9. I don't think I should be needing any more space than that. I was tempted to get the 1 terabyte, but I think this should be good enough. All right, so if we can get this open. Yeah, Apple do their packaging really good, to be fair. So here it is. Great pull tab. Bit of trouble, gotta shake out a bit. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. There we go. We got this 12.9-inch slab of technology. There it is. So follow along, guys. I'll be going through how you can make the iPad Pro your main computer and whether some of you guys should be buying it, who's it actually for, and just generally the iPad Pro lifestyle. All right, subscribe to follow along, like the video if you want, and I'll see you next time.